guys, today I'll be making French toast. Here are the ingredients. We need 3 eggs and some bread and some butter and some condensed milk. And what do you need? You need a big bowl, a spoon, a spatula, and a whisk. So I'm going to be cracking the eggs in this big bowl over here. This is the scary part because eggshells might get in. Oh, this is the scary part. Yes, got it. Successful. Where do I put this? Where do I put this? I'll put it back in here. And the last egg. Then the condensed milk. You need to use your spoon now to scoop it out. Ooh, snap. After you're done with the condensed milk, you may have to mix it. Mix it around. It smells really good. Make sure to scrape all the condensed milk out. This is taking forever. Then you're gonna mix it, right? Yeah, you're gonna mix it. Squishing the yolk. The whisk! Of course, the whisk. Oh. Messy. Spatula. Wait, no. Yeah, this is spatula. Tiny.
What are you doing?
I am whisking
The what?
the eggs and the condensed milk. Oh, I have to do this until it's all mixed. We need to make sure it's mixed. We should not be able to see the egg yolk. Any orange. That looks like it's enough. Wait, not yet, actually. I still see some egg yolk. And we dip it in. Yes, we put that. Let's soak it. Wait, gonna dump it in. That is the best part. Oh my gosh. This is super duper messy. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna plop it in there. Oh, never mind. We have to put it in the pan. Oh my gosh, I'm so okay. Get in there. Then you have to ask a parent or a guardian to help you when it's too hot and it's dangerous. So here's my mom. My mom's helping me because she's advanced with some French toast because she's made me in the past. Ooh, yummy. Yummy afternoon tea. Wait for it until the other side is cooked. You have to repeat this step until all the bread is finished. Ooh. Tea time is ready. French toast over here, and ginger syrup here, just in case you want to put it on the French toast. And here's the tea, obviously. And here are the plates for my mom and dad. And here are the berries, optional if you want to put it on there. So, yeah, let's feast!